Yeah, slums in Uganda in a bad situation. We have many people flocking into the hospitals. The hospitals are full. After the second wave, we have increased cases related to COVID, and people of cordoned off in the slum. They no longer move out as they used to live. So the situation is terrible. Food, sanitizer, and hand washing points so that we can reduce or prevent COVID-19. However much, we still think that there is a lot to be done. For example, we are trying to collect up or to outsource ivermectin doses to prepare for the worst, just in case the COVID-19 enters the slums. In that case, I want to thank Geshi for the help that you gave us in this process towards buying the doses of ivermectin. We thank you so much because it is helpful, and we pray that maybe other people can get with you in this process so that we can get more doses and prepare, because we are taking care of more than 500 people and their families, which means we must prepare with more doses for the worst. I thank you so much. Thank you for your donations and generosity. Nachani, Uganda.